Hello, word lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we'll be looking at two words that are sure to impress your friends. So let's get started. Our first word is critique. Critique. It means to give a detailed evaluation or analysis of something, usually in a critical way. It's like giving feedback to someone on a piece of work they have done, pointing out both the good and the bad. Here is a sentence example. The art class students were asked to critique each other's paintings, focusing on elements like color, composition, and brushwork. Next, we have leonine. Leonine, which means to have qualities that are similar to a lion. It can be used to describe someone who is brave, powerful, or has a mane of hair like a lion. Here is a sentence example. The boxer had a leonine quality about him, with his fierce determination and powerful punches. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning these two new words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.